Let's talk about something that happens to almost every car owner. You walk into AutoZone or Walmart, you stand in front of that motor oil shelf, and you grab the one with the coolest looking bottle. Maybe it says titanium technology. Maybe it says extended performance. Maybe it has a Ferrari logo on it, and you think, yeah, that's the good stuff. Here's the thing, you just got played. Not because those oils are terrible, they are not. But you paid a premium price for something that a much cheaper oil does just as well. And the company selling you that premium bottle, they know exactly what they are doing. So today, we are going through 7 engine oils that are quietly draining your wallet. And we are going to show you the 5 oils that actually give you real value for your money. Let's get into it. Number 1, Castrol Edge. You have seen this one everywhere. The black bottle, the bold font, fluid titanium technology. Sounds incredible, right? Here is what that actually means. Castrol's own testing for fluid titanium compares their oil against conventional oil. The basic cheap stuff. Not against Mobil 1, not against Pennzoil, against oil from 1985. That is like saying your new phone is faster than a Nokia 3310 and calling it a revolution. Independent oil analysis from BITOG. That is a massive database of real engine oil test results from thousands of real drivers. Shows no statistically significant difference in engine wear between Castrol Edge and Mobil 1 at normal oil change intervals. 0. The titanium is doing most of its work in your head, not in your engine. And for this, you are paying $1 to $2 more per quart than competing oils. On a 5-quart fill, that is $5 to $10 extra per oil change, every single time. Number 2, Mobil 1. Extended performance. Mobil 1 is a genuinely good oil. This is important to say. But the extended performance version? That is where they get clever with your wallet. The whole pitch is simple. Pay more upfront. Change your oil less often. They say you can go 20,000 miles between oil changes. But here is what they do not put on the bottle. Most car manufacturers still recommend 5,000 to 7,500 miles as your change interval. Your owner's manual does not care what Mobil 1 says on their label. And if something goes wrong with your engine and you went 20,000 miles between changes, your warranty is gone. A 5-quart jug of Mobil 1. Extended performance runs $40 to $50. Regular full synthetic from a perfectly solid brand, $18 to $25. You are paying double to chase an interval that most mechanics will tell you is not worth the risk on your daily driver. Number 3, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This one has a genuinely cool story behind it. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is made from natural gas, not crude oil. They call it Pure Plus technology, and Shell, the company that owns Pennzoil, is very proud of it. They even got Ferrari to use it. You will see that on the bottle. Here is the reality check. Independent used oil analysis shows that Pennzoil Ultra Platinum's wear protection beats cheaper full synthetics by roughly 1 to 2 parts per million of wear metals. Do you know how small that difference is? Imagine filling an Olympic swimming pool with water. That difference is about 2 drops. You are paying $26 to $34 for a 5-quart jug. The Ferrari logo on the bottle adds to that price. Your Toyota Camry does not need Ferrari-level marketing attached to its oil. Your engine cannot tell the difference. Number 4, Valvoline Full Synthetic. Valvoline is the oldest motor oil brand in America, founded in 1866. Henry Ford used it. The history is real. But here is where it gets interesting. When you walk into a Valvoline instant oil change shop and get a full synthetic oil change, you are paying $79 to $99 for that service. Nearly $100. for oil that you could buy at Walmart for $22, plus a $5 filter, and do yourself in 20 minutes. Now, some people pay for convenience. That is fair. But Valvoline charges you a massive brand premium on top of the convenience premium. The oil in their shop does nothing different for your engine than cheaper alternatives. You are paying for the name on the building more than anything in the bottle. Number 5. Shell Helix Ultra. Here is a fact that will mess with your head a little. Shell owns Pennzoil. So Shell Helix Ultra and Pennzoil Ultra Platinum come from the same parent company, use similar base stock technology, and carry very similar certifications. But Shell Helix Ultra carries an import price premium in the US market because of the European branding. You are essentially paying more for a cousin of Pennzoil Platinum just because it has a different accent. Project Farm, one of the most trusted independent product testing channels on YouTube, ran tests comparing premium oils against much cheaper alternatives. Amazon Basics Oil beat Shell Helix Ultra in cold flow performance and wear resistance. Let that sit with you for a moment. Number 6. Leaky Moly Leichtlauf. Leaky Moly is a German brand. It has been voted the best oil brand in Germany for 10 straight years. It sounds amazing. The bottles look premium. The name feels technical and serious, and in Germany, it costs less than $1 per liter. In the US, you are paying a serious import markup. Independent reviewers and oil analysts at Bob is the Oil Guy, the biggest oil enthusiast community online, consistently call Leaky Moly average in every aspect, while costing significantly more than domestic oils with identical API certifications. Even Leaky Moly's own managing director, Günther Hiermeyer, said it plainly: "We want to be the best, not the cheapest." Respect for the honesty, but your engine does not know the difference between German engineering and a well-certified American-made oil. Your bank account does, though. Number 7. AMSOIL Signature Series. This is the big one. The oil that every car forum guy swears by. The one sold through a network of dealers who will tell you it is the greatest thing ever made. AMSOIL Signature Series costs $13 to $14 per quart in 2026. For a 5-quart engine fill, that is $65 to $70 just for the oil, before the filter, before anything else. Does it perform well? Yes, it does. Viscosity retention tests show it holds up better than most oils at extreme intervals. But here is what they do not tell you up front. AMSOIL Signature Series is not API licensed. The American Petroleum Institute, the main body that certifies oil quality, has not certified it. AMSOIL says it is because API limits how many additives you can put in oil. But they also sell API licensed oils. So that argument has a hole in it. For a regular driver doing 5,000 to 7,500 mile oil changes, the real-world engine protection difference between AMSOIL Signature Series and a $22 bottle of SuperTech full synthetic is essentially zero. You are paying 3 times more for confidence, not for measurable engine protection. So now you know which oils are charging you extra for a name, a logo, or a marketing line that sounds better than it actually performs. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. The oils that mechanics, engineers, and real car enthusiasts quietly use while everyone else overpays at the auto parts store. These 5 oils passed independent lab testing. They carry proper API certifications. Drivers have run them for hundreds of thousands of miles, and none of them will make your wallet cry. Let's go. Number 1, Kirkland Signature. Walk into Costco, head to the automotive section, and you will find a bottle with no flashy branding. Just a clean label that says Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic. Most people walk right past it. That is a mistake. Kirkland Motor Oil is made by Highline Warren, formerly known as Warren Distribution. This is not some garage operation slapping a Costco label on mystery liquid. Warren Distribution is the same manufacturer that makes SuperTech for Walmart and Amazon Basics motor oil. The same factory, the same expertise. The Petroleum Quality Institute of America published detailed test results on Kirkland's signature full synthetic. The oil passed everything. Blackstone Laboratories has run used oil reports on Kirkland oil from real engines. The wear metal numbers came back on par with oils costing twice as much. You are getting the same protection. You are paying half the price. Number 2, SuperTech. You walk into Walmart, you see a $18 bottle of motor oil on the shelf, and your brain says, that cannot be good oil. Your brain is wrong on this one. SuperTech Full Synthetic carries API SP certification, the current top-tier standard for passenger car gasoline engines. That certification is not self-reported. It goes through independent testing labs. Engine Labs ran a direct performance test comparing SuperTech against a well-known name brand oil. With SuperTech, engine wear metals dropped from 11 parts per million down to 8 parts per million, a 27% improvement. SuperTech outperformed a name brand oil in an independent test for $18 per 5-quart jug. Your engine does not read labels. It reads viscosity, wear protection, and clean additives. SuperTech delivers all three. Number 3, Havoline Pro DS. Havoline is Chevron's motor oil brand, and the Pro DS, Pro Deposit Shield, is their full synthetic line that barely gets mentioned in conversations where Mobil 1 and Castrol dominate the room. That silence is doing you a disservice. Havoline Pro DS. Full synthetic earned the top spot on multiple 2025 best motor oil rankings, including from independent automotive sources that test actual performance. Its deposit shield technology uses a proprietary cleaning booster that targets sludge and varnish inside modern engines, specifically the kind of gunk that builds up in turbocharged and direct injection engines. It carries API SP certification, Dexos 1 Gen 3 approval from GM, and ILSA CGF 6 compliance. For turbocharged engines, stop-and-go city drivers, or anyone in extreme heat climates, Havoline Pro DS is doing the work that oils costing 3 times more claim they do. Number 4, Idemitsu Full Synthetic. Most people in the US have never heard of Idemitsu. That is exactly why it belongs on this list. Idemitsu is a Japanese company with over 110 years of lubrication expertise. And while you have never seen their bottle on a TV commercial, you have almost certainly driven a car that came from the factory filled with their oil. Idemitsu is the OEM supplier for factory oil fills in Honda, Subaru, Nissan, and Mazda vehicles. When your brand new Japanese car rolls off the production line, there is a real chance Idemitsu oil is already inside the engine. The engineers who designed those engines trusted Idemitsu to protect them on day one. For everyday drivers, their standard full synthetic lines carry proper API certifications and have been proven through real engine use. Mechanics who specialize in Japanese vehicles reach for Idemitsu specifically because it is what those engines were designed around. Number 5, Mag 1. Full synthetic. By now, you have heard the name Warren Distribution twice in this video. Once for Kirkland, once for SuperTech. Here they are again, this time under their own brand name. Mag 1 is Warren Distribution's retail brand. And since you now know that Warren makes oil for Costco and Walmart under private label agreements, you already know the quality level we are talking about. What makes Mag 1 worth specifically mentioning is that it gives you direct access to Warren quality oil without needing a Costco membership. It is available at independent auto parts stores and online, carries full API SP certification, and comes in all the common viscosity grades your vehicle needs. Industry insiders pointed to Warren Manufactured Oils as some of the best value products in the entire motor oil market. A 5-quart jug of MAG, one full synthetic, runs around $20 to $24 depending on where you buy it. So, what does all of this actually mean for you? Oil marketing equates price with protection, but it's mostly myth. Match your manual's viscosity grade, confirm API SP on the label, and any oil meeting that bar protects your engine equally well. Skip the premium markup. Your engine won't notice, and your wallet will thank you.